Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to give you guys a tour of my new desk at our new place. I'm absolutely loving having a desk that I use more. I will leave our old apartment tour link down below so you guys can go check that out if you would like. But I'm definitely loving having a usable, more functioning desk, I guess is the best way to put it. I felt like in the old place, my desk, I just didn't use it as much. So I wanted to give you guys a tour of this. So I'm going to bring you guys closer so you can see the top of the desk first. So first off to the side here, that's actually my jewelry box, and that's the door to the hallway. So that's my jewelry box, armoire, thingamabob, I don't know what you want to call it. And then on top of the desk here, we've got this bulletin board, which used to hang in our living room or dining room area in our old place. But I took one of them and put it here. On there I've got a printout of 2018 December because I didn't really feel like buying a calendar for 1 month. I've just got a couple random things on there. My favorite necklace right now is this moon one I got in Sedona, so I have that there. Above I have my name in a like crafting thing my mom made me when I was in high school. I think it looks nice there. Then I've got my 2019 calendar, which is beautiful. I got that when I was in Sedona. I've got a Halloween card right there. I just thought it was pretty, so I kept it. And then over here is probably what would be considered the clutter-y section. So I do have a lamp on my desk. I do unfortunately have to have a lamp on my desk. There's just not a ton of light in this room otherwise. So I've got a lamp, and then I've got this little pink box there. That has all of my lipsticks in it. Then I've got this little elephant. The elephant hat is like made of, I don't know, rock, stone, crystal material, I don't know. All my brushes are right here. I've got my makeup mirror right here. And then behind the lamp, I have a candle. And then I've got all of my like everyday-ish usable pens that I use. And then I have a coaster for my desk. On this wall here, I have a poster of the major arcana. It just goes into depth of what each one is. So then, my desk is from Ikea, in case you're wondering. So that's that corner there. Then I've got the Alex 9 drawers. I'm actually going to take you guys off of the tripod now and just take you guys over there. So I have the Alex 9 drawer, or not 9 drawers, the Alex, are they Alex drawers if they're not 9? I don't know what they are. Right there's a trash can. That's a blanket on my desk chair because I use a blanket in the morning because I'm cold. So in the first drawer here, this is all of my makeup other than my lipstick and my brushes that are right there. This is it. This is what I own. Yeah. And I think it's pretty well organized. I've got like eyeshadows over here. This is just a tiny little bit of my foundation that's left that I'm just like, I don't know. It's probably garbage, but I haven't thrown it out yet. Lotion, eyeliners. I've got my headband to hold up my bangs when I do my hair. I've got my blush, and I've got one other blush there. These are the things that I use every day. Chapstick, concealer, brush cleaner, which I really need to use, and then I've got all of my palettes. I've got 1 through 3 naked, then I've got the smoky naked, the naked 2 basics, I've got a full exposure Smashbox, and then I have like an e.l.f. palette right there. So that's that. Oh, and then I have a MAC palette down there that only has 4 colors in it. This is just like an extra mascara, extra eyeliner, things like that. I have fake eyelashes here. I rarely ever use fake eyelashes. So the next drawer is, I love this drawer. I use this little plastic thing. I have all of my Staedtler markers and my, I don't know what these are called. They're like Tombow. Yeah, they're Tombow markers. I've got tape, I've got my stamp ink back there. I've got all of my post-it notes here. I've got some stamps, like physical like mailing stamps, and then I've got like some actual stamps. This is a used gift card. I use gift cards to cut washi tape. So that's that drawer. The next drawer I love because this is where I put my laptop. And then I also have my push pins. I've got my laptop, my thing for my USB, not USB, what is it called? My camera card. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, I use that. I've got my charger. I've got a little like light for my phone, mouse, headphones are in there as well. And I've got this drawer. Over here I've got all of my like crayons, coloring markers, things like that. I have these 2 empty boxes that I'm saving for Christmas presents. I just threw them in here. I've got 3 packs of stamps. Got a paper cutter, hole punch, some, what are these called? Paintbrushes, more lotion, and then I've got some white tape, like the packaging tape? I don't know. Painter's tape, that's what it's called. And the last drawer has my makeup bag. I don't have tissues right now, so I'm using toilet paper. It's classy. These are my dirty sponges that I've been using right now, and then I don't use paper towels on my desk. I use a wash rag, or like a hand towel. I have 2 of them. I switch them out, and that way I don't waste paper towels. I've got a mini sewing kit, batteries that need to be charged, new sponges, more push pins, some thread, or not thread, like yarn tool. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. And then I've got, I know what I use it for, little package thing that you put like gifts in. So yeah, that's that. And like I said, I have, oh, and then right there, I actually have a poster board that I used. I cut part of it, and then I've got a notebook right there. But yeah, my desk chair is from, I want to say officemax. Yeah, that is my desk, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you're excited for my apartment tour of my new place, because I promise it'll actually come sooner than the last one did. Bye, guys. Subscribe. Like. Thanks.